Hi everyone, it's Anthony Deloney, founder of Owning the Dash. I'm creating this video to share with you some extremely exciting news. We are launching the Owning the Dash Financial Literacy Kit, as you can see here. This has been a collaborative effort working with multiple state councils on economic education, where we've developed lesson plans, tutorials, guides, and all sorts of other goodies, and package them all into one kit that incorporates the books, games, and so forth. So I just wanted to kind of give all of you a quick sum up of what's included. So here's the box, easy to undo. And inside the box, you'll receive a letter with a QR code on it. I'll talk about that in just a second. But in addition, inside the box, you will find all 6 of the Owning the Dash Kids books, each one highlighting a different financial topic or focusing on a different financial topic. We've got Dash and Nikki and the Jelly Bean Game, which focuses on patience and delayed gratification. We have Lily and May, Learn Why Mom and Dad Work, which focuses on the basics of a budget and the reasons why families do go to work. We have Rohan and Naira and Big Sister's Bet. And this one focuses on emotion and greed when it comes to decision making. We have Michael and Hannah and the Magic Money Tree. And this one focuses on the basics of inflation and supply and demand. We have Akash and Mila and, and the Big Jump. Sorry, I pause on this one because it focuses on a very unique topic, being fear of judgment, which in the financial world may seem like not a big thing, but actually after 20 plus years working in the industry, I can tell you it's a major obstacle that the sooner we can help young individuals get over, the more likely they are to achieve success in their young adult years. And finally, we have Ivor and Luke and the Friends for Others Club. This is my most recent book. There's a lot of passion and love behind it, but this one particularly focuses on what if scenarios and protection and just preparing for the future and things that we can't always anticipate, but how we can best prepare for those scenarios that may come up. So in the kit, we have all 6 books, all hardcover. And on top of that, we also have the Spending Shuffle card game. Now this is a card game, a memory style card game that incorporates different items in a family budget. And basically try to find the matching card for different items that would be categories like clothing, groceries, whatever it might be, and helps kids just identify all the different things that families pay for. So great game to add. And then with all these items together, we have this introductory letter, which leads to a QR code. This QR code leads to free lesson plans, video tutorials, games, discussion questions, all available for every one of the books as well as the card games. Now these lesson plans have been developed by various councils on economic education. So very professionally done and just a lot of great information made for educators, but can certainly be done in homeschools and at various fun financial literacy type of events. So check it out, take a look. Hope you really enjoy it. Share it with your friends, and let's all spread financial literacy. Thank you.